So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to solve question array subset of another array. So in this question we are giving a two array and we have to find the second array is a subset of first array or not. What does mean by subset? It mean by all the elements of array 2 is present in array 1, then we can say that the array 2 is subset of array 1. And it's given array can be sorted or can be unsorted, and array also can contain duplicate elements. So for solving this question, we can say that if we compare both the if we compare elements of both the arrays, and we can say we find all the elements, then we can say it's sorted or not. So we can say that first we have to sort the array, because we can say that it's present also. First we have to sort the both the arrays, so even and sorted. So now we have to, so we can say that 0 and s2 equal to 0, and we have to say that we can say that we have to check for all the values of s only. Now we can say that while s less than m, we have to check if a1 of s equal to a2 of s. So we can say that let it be that it present in sorted order or not. So yeah, we have to make 2. So s2 equal to 0. Also we can say that s1 is less than n, and then s2 is less than n. And we are saying that if a2 of s2, if a1 of s1 and a2 of s2 is same, then we can say that we have s1 plus plus and s2 plus plus. Otherwise, what can happen if they are not equal? Then we can say that else if a of s1 is lesser than a2 of s2. So if a of s1 and a of s2, if a1 of s1 and a2 of s2, if a1 is lesser, we can say that move s1 forward to find the same element. Else we can say that move s2 forward in the same element. Or what if a1 s1 and a2 of s2 is not equal? We can say that this can be happen. They are lesser, they are greater, they are equal. It can happen. Or also we can say that a1 s1 equal to same, then you can say that. So yeah, and then you say if s2 is nothing but m, then you can say that yeah, we have find our answer. So we have to return yes, because we have to return a string, else we have to return no. Let's return no. Let's compile and run this. That's correct. Now submit this and check it's correct or not. So yeah, it's wrong for some test cases. Let's see what's the problem. So it's sorting like 258 and it's 25 and 258. So it's saying if 25 equal to the same as well less than n and s2 less than m. Okay. So it's saying if 25 258 is equal to 25. It's saying no, that's not. It's not true. Then it's saying 258 is lesser than 25. Okay, yeah, definitely that's not. Then it's saying then the case left, which is if a1 of s1 is greater than a2 of s2, so 25 is lesser. So it's saying move 25 to forward. I am say let's to count one, and here if we check this count, I have to say if count equal to I think this is correct because S2 is changing much times now, it doesn't count correctly. So okay, yeah, for sample test case. Yes, so let's submit this and check if correct or not. Yes, so all the test cases pass. So what I did is I showed the both the arrays, then I iterating both the arrays and saying if they are equal, then you can say that if we have to increase the count. As they are not equal, then we can say move small pointer forward, otherwise greater pointer forward. Which one is smaller, we have to move forward and check if they are equal or not. And in the end, we have to say that if the count value is equal to m, then we can say that we have iterated all the values and we have to return yes, otherwise we have to return false. So the time complexity of this sorting n log n and this n log m, and this will take big of n minimum, max of big of n or big of m. So this will not take any auxiliary space. So the auxiliary space is big of 1 and time complexity big of n log n or m log m. This one is greater. This is method 1 of solving this question. There is another method of solving this question in the given time constraint. You can use a map of storing all the elements and checking if the second array's elements is presenting in map or not. For that I am using another map. I am pushing all the elements of A1 in the map. So I'm pushing all the elements in the A1 of map. Then I am iterating through all the values of A2. So I equal to 0, I less than M, I plus plus. Iterating through all the values of A2 and saying if MPP to find, if map is able to find A2 of I and it's not equal to MPP or and saying if map is able to find A2 of I in the map. What I'm saying is all the values is pushing, then I'm saying is if 11 is found or not in the map. If that 11 is found in the map, then we can say that I mean it count 0, then we can say that count is increases and MPP of A2I minus minus Y, because if the frequency of 11 is 2 or 3 or something else, then we can say that the frequency is reduced, and we have to say that if MPP of A2I should be greater than 0, because this will tell that is present or not, but the frequency tell that its frequency is greater or not, because if frequency is greater, then we can say that not, and we have to check if count equal to m, then we have to return yes, and else we have to no, wait, no, let's compile and run this. Now let's submit this. Yeah, program so successfully. Also, one thing you can do that you without checking, you can say that if MB of bit is greater, this will also works fine, because if it's present, then this is greater than 0. Otherwise, it is not greater than 0. So I do not have to check it's present or not. Also, you can do one thing. You don't need to use count, because you can also here say that if MPPI greater than 0, then you can say that if MPPI is not greater than 0, then you can say that this is not the correct answer. Otherwise, you can say that. Yeah, so you can use any of the approach you want, whichever is suitable for you. Yeah, that's it for the video. If you like it, if you thought this video is helpful for you, like the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends.